Just before midnight on New Year's Eve 2010, 5,000 dead blackbirds rained from the sky onto the town of Beebe, Arkansas. Scientists determined that fireworks had panicked the birds, which have poor night vision, into flying blindly into houses, trees, and each other. The town was cleaned up. Then, on New Year's Eve 2011, it happened again in the exact same town. Someone went directly into the roost and set off fireworks a second time. Wildlife officers had been specifically patrolling to prevent this. Nobody was ever identified or charged.